Yo guys, if you like this video, please leave a like down below and subscribe to my channel and comment down below what you would like to see next. What's up you guys, and welcome to my newest video. Today I will be showing you how to use these Highsider mirrors on your Duke 125. And the first thing you'll have to do is you'll have to cut a piece of this rubber end out. I can show you how it looks on this side. Normally it looks like that, like this thick rubber end, but you'll have to cut it on the throttle side, because otherwise you would block the throttle if you put on the Highsider mirrors, and that would be pretty bad. So the first thing you'll have to do right now is to grab one of these black things and one of the two long screws. They look like these, and we're starting with the throttle side, so please use one of these distance holders. So just grab the black thing and put on the long screw from this side where the little plastic thing is, and just put it on like this. Just pull it through and put on these distance holders on this side. Just start screwing it in with your hand, and right now you'll have to get a tool and just screw it in. And one important thing, don't screw it in hard, just screw it in that you can still move these black things. So now you can grab your Highsider mirror and these little screws and screw the mirror in. And now just choose one hole. It's not important which one you choose, just choose one and put in the first screw. And one important thing about these little screws, please screw them in as hard as you can, because they're pretty common to fall off the mirror. As you can see, I just have 3 screws left on every side. That's because I lost the other screws. Now you can see the mirror is pretty shaky and you can move it around like that. That's because we didn't screw this middle big screw in hard. That's what we're doing right now. Now you can adjust your mirror. That's just personal preference, so please do it on your own. And if you have the right position, just screw the big middle screw in as hard as you can, and the mirror should stop moving. And if you've done it right, the mirror should not move anymore. And now you just have to do the exact same thing on the other end of the handlebar, and you should be good to go.